Hi everybody, and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you if Nintendo Switch 2 does come with a case. So the answer is no, the Nintendo Switch 2 packaging does not include a protective carrying case. In the box we have the console, like a tablet we have here, Joy-Con 2 controllers, Joy-Con 2 grip, dock, HDMI cable and AC adapter, and USB Type-C cable. We don't have the case. You can buy the case, which is official bundle, and it costs about $40, and it is Nintendo Switch 2 carrying case and the screen protector. And you can buy Nintendo Switch 2 all-in-one carrying case with official larger mini briefcase style, holds the console dock, Joy-Con 2, Pro controller, cables and up to 6 game cards, and it costs about $80. Third party, we have two third party options like PowerA, TamTalk, Hori, Balkin, etc., which offers everything from Steam travel pouches to robust case with extra game and accessory storage. So the answer is we don't have the case within the box. Goodbye!